This business about Goldbach levels.
In this video, I'm going to break down ICT's latest trade, which he took about an hour ago, and show you that it's the same old thing, and he's actually using Goldbach for all of his trading. Now, as a heads up, I have now opened my Goldbach Golden Bullet Discord server to those who are not chartered member students. So historically, if you were a chartered member student of mine, I would invite you to my Discord server. I have now opened it up for a limited amount of time. As soon as I get to 100 people within that group, I will then close the group to new entries. So if you would like to join my group, there's a link to the Discord group below. Now, this is ICT's trade. So today is the 25th of January. Oh, I shouldn't, but there we go. Okay, he's already blocked me on Twitter, so who cares? So this is his trade. He shows the 5-second chart, and he says the algorithm runs every 15 minutes, and he can profit from that. So I'll just quickly show you his entry. There's his buy, 17,698.5. There's his stop below the low. Now, in this trade, he selects his take profit. So he first talks about these equal highs, but he says he doesn't want to take them off the equal highs. He will take them off here. Now, in a previous breakdown video, I explained exactly why he didn't take those previous highs as his take profit and why he chose a very specific high. He does not tell you why he chooses the high. I told you last time exactly why he chose the high, and I will tell you again. Right? It doesn't make sense when he's supposed to be teaching everybody on how to trade. Why does he say, I'm not taking these equal highs as take profit, and said, I'll take this one? Of course, my job is to tell you what he won't. So this is him setting his take profit. So he says equal highs here. I'm not taking it off at the equal highs. I will take it off here. He buys some more at this level. Trade takes off. He TPs. My favorite thing about this video from ICT's, it's 2 minutes long, so I can break it down very quickly and get on with my day because I'm a busy guy. But I'm conscious that I haven't created a video for you guys for a while, and I've been receiving some DMs asking me, have they missed a video? Did a video get blocked? I've just been busy on my mentoring group, producing content for those guys. But okay, this is the trade. Let me break it down for you within a few minutes. So as always, going to load up the indicator from first principles so you know how to do that for yourselves. It is called the DMN's ICT AMD Goldbach. Let's load it up. I turn off AMD boxes, I turn off GB time, I turn off imbalances. I also change the color of the labels to white. And then that's it, you should pretty much have it. He took this trade, I've shown you this many times before. He took this trade on the half shift. How do I know he took it on the half shift? That's something I teach in my private mentorship group. There we go. Trade has been half shifted. Okay. Now, why did he come into this trade? Actually, let me show you the trade first. That was his stop. That was his entry. He did not TP at these equal highs. Instead, I believe he came off here. Okay. So that was his first entry, 17,698.5. 17,698.5. What does that tell you first? He came in exactly at the dealing range low. The low of the dealing range. Okay. Furthermore, he had his stop below the extension. He's not going to show you the stop here. That's too obvious for people who understand this. But he needed to get his entry accurate. His stop he could have put anywhere. Anywhere below the extension is fine for his particular strategy. Okay. Play the trade through on the 15-second. So he came in about here. Then he TP'd. Let's move it back a touch. Let's bring our dealing range back to where it was when he took the trade. Okay, I've told you this before. Why didn't he take profit here? Because this is an equilibrium. If this is the low of the dealing range and this is the high of the dealing range, you want to buy in a discount and sell at the first opportunity in a premium. Whereas the first swing high in a premium, I believe it was, where did he come off? I think he came off here. Let's have a quick check. $115.5. Yeah, so he came off here. Right here. Okay, so that's why he took his TP. Why did he make his entry? Why did he make his entry? How did he know? Because this is the S&P 500 chart. The times are the same. So if you have a look here, 11.11, 11.11. Have a look at this. This is a low and a lower low. This is the same low, but you have a higher low. What is that called? That is called SMT divergence. There was SMT divergence between NASDAQ and ES. He then waited for price to come back into the dealing range. As soon as it was in the dealing range, he tried to buy as close to the low as possible. He executed exactly at the low. And then he took his trade off at the first swing high in the premium, which was this one. He could have come off here, but that's a tiny amount, right? He came off here at the first swing high in the premium. You see me break down so many of ICT's trades now. I wonder why he blocked me on Twitter. Anyway, if you would like to join my Discord group where I teach you my golden bullet Goldbach trading strategy, feel free to read this review from someone who joined the group a few days ago, and he's already made his money back with 2 trades. So I think he joined during the weekend, and then on a Monday by 5 a.m. I think he'd made his money back using the strategy. This review's on my Twitter, so you can go check that out. If you have any questions around Goldbach, feel free to leave a comment below.